About Novo Integrated Sciences. The ticker is NVOS, and having another crazy day here. We talked about NVOS stock yesterday. I made a video on it. It's at 22 cents during this trading day specifically. It's up 93% here. We take a look at the chart for NVOS over the last 5 days. Right, obviously had a crazy, significant jump in price yesterday. Was up to 24 cents, or it's up to 24 cents this morning actually, but on the 14th, market closed on Monday. It was at 7 cents. It jumped up, was trading at around 13, 14, 12. Actually closed yesterday, I believe, at, let's see what it closed yesterday at, 12 cents. So it closed yesterday at 12 cents, up another 93% today. Trading volume just absolutely massive. 300 million trades of NVOS stock. And I had made a video on NVOS like 3-4 months ago, maybe even more longer than that, sometime this year. And I talked about NVOS, and it was around the same price it is right now, probably right around 23 cents. And we kind of look at the chart here. We look at the last 1 year for NVOS. It has been kind of known to be a little bit of a runner, right? Or even you take a look at the last 2 years specifically. Since it's dropped down in October of 2022, it was up here trading in September at about $1.22, and since it dropped down below $1, you can see here it's had its little fair share of mini runs, and there's been a lot of retail interest when it creates these runs and when it starts to go on these runs and things like that. But starting to see, this is as high as the price has been right here at 22 cents. This is the highest the price has been since, we're talking about December of last year. So in 2023, this is the highest price NVOS stock has been. Again, let's just get into this. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice, just not wasting any time. Let's go. So I wanted to go over this article here. This is a 4 hours ago article by William White over on Investor Place. I will put a link to the article in the description below of this video. Just wanted to talk about something that he mentions here. You can see here, series of business updates have been announced. Obviously, we talked about it yesterday. The joint venture, the JV with Farm 7 Group, the two will work together on the development, administration, and financing of the Kenya Agricultural Cooperative Project. That was the main news yesterday, the biggest news, I guess you can say. But also, it included this in a share purchase agreement with SwagCheck as a securities purchase agreement with RC Consulting Group LLC. To go along with this, the board of directors at Novo is considering a strategic review, and this has the board considering a potential share repurchase program, which it also has funding commitment of $40 million to develop joint ventures focused on elderly care. With all this news comes heavy trading volume of NVOS stock. As of this writing, more than 40 million shares have changed hands. For the record, the company's daily average trading volume was around 9 million shares. So it's pretty crazy, the trading volume here. We're still in the early morning hours of the market, and we're looking at 303 million trades, and it's going to continue to grow. I think by the end of the trading day, we can see NVOS stock trade at least 500 plus million in total trading volume, so which is absolutely insane. But let's just talk about a few other things. So this tweet by Mary Michelle Nay, shout out to this Twitter user. I think just a great Twitter user in general to follow if you're interested in trading stocks and you're interested specifically like in these types of penny stocks here. But if you're nervous about buying TTO, then check out NVOS. Huge news yesterday, already moving in pre-market. Novo Integrated Sciences on Tuesday offered an update on a number of initiatives, including work towards a previously announced bio deal of SwagCheck. Additionally, Novo's board of directors strategic review, like I talked about. What's more, is the company says funding $40 million through Gulf International Minerals and Energy Group. The money would joint ventures for development and elderly care, which I just talked about. But I like the headline here. People are nervous about buying TTO, nervous about checking out NVOS. Both these stocks, TTO and NVOS, are obviously trading under $1. But these stocks, more specifically like a stock like NVOS, given the history, this volatility for this stock is very, very real. It's very, very real, and I would recommend, if you're looking to be in a position in NVOS, to be diligent and definitely maybe be patient, but also make sure you guys are really, really locking your research before looking to buy a stock like NVOS. 90% today, massive trading volume, 22 cents. We could see a ton of profit selling tomorrow, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. But I also wanted to show one more thing that is very interesting here. ChatGPT calculating the adjusted share price of after the swag gem acquisition is complete. So this is like an, I guess essentially ChatGPT just giving math on what would happen, when that acquisition is essentially complete. So if trading company is trading at 14 cents now, obviously it's not traded at 14 cents, at 21 cents now. But 14 cents with 135 million shares outstanding and a market cap of 18 million has an asset worth 90 million. What would the adjusted share price be? And the ChatGPT came out with 80 cents, which is a crazy X from even the current price, and with that being up 85% on the day here. So, I mean, just given some simple math like that, significant amount of, I guess, asset being influxed into Nvos stock could send it up to 80 cents, which essentially at that point you're kind of gambling. You really are actually just gambling here on a penny stock to I guess what would be 4x from this price. So again, let me know in the comments below, you guys. I think this is a super interesting stock. I have it on my watch list, and I'm definitely following the news pretty diligently. Let me know. $32 million market cap currently. Drop a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.